Hi everyone, it's Christina. Today's video is an introduction to the minimalism series that I'm starting. Each video will help aid in different areas of your life, but before doing that, I thought I would tell you guys a little bit about what minimalism means to me and give you guys some tips and suggestions on what to do before starting to watch this series. What is minimalism? Minimalism is actually very subjective. One minimalist life can look very different from another minimalist's life, and that's okay. Minimalism is what you want it to be. So if you think that minimalism only deals with the amount of stuff that you have, then that's what minimalism is to you, and that's not incorrect. To other people, minimalism goes far beyond just the things that you have. Other people extend minimalism to their friendships, or what they eat, or what clothes they wear, things like that. That is also okay. So yeah, minimalism is whatever you want it to be, which is why I've decided to create this series in this particular way. You don't have to watch the videos in order. You don't have to watch all the videos. If you just want minimalism to be, for example, like your capsule wardrobe, then just watch the capsule wardrobe video. That's it. Before you start watching the minimalist series, I would like to give you guys 4 pointers. Number 1, critically analyze your priorities in life. What do you do with your time? What do you want to do with your time? What are your aspirations? What makes you happy? Do your surroundings aid or deter your motivations in life? What matters to you? Really analyze and study these questions and come up with your answer. This will become the foundation for what you choose to keep and get rid of, and what you choose to spend your time on. Number 2, get inspired. Go on Pinterest, for example, and identify what you like and don't like. I recently posted my extreme bedroom makeover video, but before I did any of that, I decided what I wanted for my room. I did a lot of research on what I liked and didn't like. I went on Pinterest, I watched YouTube videos, I visited various blogs, and I just got inspired. I can now describe my taste as clean, modern, and minimal, with shabby chic and rustic French country accents. So with that aesthetic in mind is how I created my room. Number 3, quality over quantity. This can be applied to every aspect of your life if you want it to. It's tough because as a society we're so used to consumption and more is better. It can be hard to let go of things and be okay with less, but in my opinion, it just makes your life so much better when you have less, but you have higher quality of what you do have. I also want to point out, because I feel like a lot of people think this, minimalism is not about deprivation at all. It's not about lacking something. It's more about having the perfect amount of something. I believe society has taught us to want more than we need. And I think our lives are now just a chaotic mess because of it. I know that sounds melodramatic, but when you simplify your life and you really analyze your priorities in life and you only have the stuff that you need, you will find that you have a much better quality of life because you're not distracted with all this extra stuff. And it doesn't have to be physical stuff, it can be mental stuff too. Unnecessary stresses in life that you can just easily get rid of if you put your mind towards it and just focus on the things that are important. Number 4, don't be afraid of change. As life goes on, I change. Because of that, my priorities change as well, and that's okay. In fact, I think it's really important for us to expect change, and when change does come, welcome it. Our lives are not meant to be stagnant. They're always evolving. In my opinion, when people adopt a minimalist lifestyle, change becomes so much easier. I try to apply minimalism to virtually every aspect of my life, and that includes my relationships and my time and things like that. My basic goal, what I want to take from minimalism, is I want to simplify my life in every aspect, so I can enjoy the things that I love most. So I just basically use minimalism as an aid to make my life the best it can be. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this minimalism series. I'm really looking forward to making these videos for you guys because organization is one of my greatest passions in life. So I'm just gonna give you guys a bunch of videos that you guys can choose from, like I said. You don't have to go through them all. You can choose which ones you want to watch. You also don't have to watch them in order. You can watch them in any order after you've watched this video. And yeah, if there's a video that you think that I should make that I haven't yet, feel free to leave a comment in any one of the comment boxes. I do like reading your comments a lot, so I'm very open to suggestions. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!